Good evening, everyone. Ito yung kung paano ba natin iti-thematic analysis yung ginawa ko, which is dapat hindi ko ginawa. Yung clustering. No? So, natatandaan nyo pa ba yung apat na bahagi ng thematic analysis? So, yung apat na yon, which is domain, categories, description, and responses. So, ito yung example ng thematic analysis. Yan. Bago. So, ito example lang. Ito SOP1. Mamaya ko discuss. So, ngayon na pala. So, yan. Paano ba natin i-thematic analysis yung nagawa ng clustering? So, una, of course, nalagay ko na yung SOP na 1. O, SOP1, which is what are the possible impacts of exposure. Kung titignan natin, sa yung mismong IMRAD paper, ang question number 1 natin is, ayan, what are the possible no? Which is naka-assign naman sa akin. Kaya ginawa ko. So, sa inyo, sa thematic analysis table nyo, yan, hindi nakalagay na ito, SOP number 2. SOP niya ko. S, nakaganyan na sa SOP 2 ka na. SOP 2. Kaya so, for now, hindi mo. So, paano ba natin i-thematic analysis? So, siyempre, yun nga, kakasabi ko lang yung question, ilalagay mo dyan with blue. Ewan kung bakit blue yung pinili mission, pero sige, for ano na lang. Para di tayo pagalitan. So, yan, SOP number, kung anong naka-assign na number kayo, and the question. Yan, tapos, dito, kung anong naka-assign kayo na number, then, yung ilalagay nyo. Separate na yan, SOP1, SOP2, SOP3. So, since ako SOP1, SOP1 yung gagamitin ko bilang thematic analysis. So, simulan natin sa domain. Okay? So, sa domain, nakalagay naman yan yung page. Yan. Hindi ko pa nagagawa yung SOP4 pero bukas nagawa. So, sa SOP1, no, since yun yung akin, question number 1. So, question number 1, ikakopy mo lang to, then, ipapaste mo siya dito, Q. So, yan. Table number. Since isa lang naman yung question natin, isa lang din yung gagawin natin. Table. No? Yan. Tandaan nyo ha, kung ilang question yung nandito sa interview question, ganun yung gagawin yung number of table. Kung halimbawa, yan, puro the perspective of the participants. Dito sa number 4 pala, marami dito na tanong. I think dalawang tanong about dito. So, dalawang table yung gagawin ko sa SOP4. Since this is recorded naman, so kung sino man makapanood ng SOP4, and yun yung maraming table. Okay, SOP4, ayan, SOP4, with blue, and question. So, sa domains, let's start with the domain. So, for the domain, we have, yan, copy-paste nyo. Programming skills and career relevance. Yan. Itong gratification theory needs. Ayan, both, so, depending on the theory, no? Since wala naman tayong, I mean, value theory naman tayo. So, yan. Ah, asan ba? Yan, expectancy value theory, no? Influence. Expectancy, eagerness, yan. Eagerness. So, yeah, pwede natin expectancy value theory. Pero technically, hindi siya expectancy value since ang tinatanong naman dito, what are, hindi naman how, diba? Doon na papasok si expectancy value. Anyway, so, let's go back sa domain. Yung sa domain, no, yan, programming, copy-paste nyo lang yan. Then, yung sa themes, or rather, dun sa categories, copy-paste nyo lang din. Yung, no, copy-paste nyo lang din yung perceived value na application. Pinarevise kasi sa akin ni Miche, kaya ayan. Bagal. Oh, no, 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 wrong. Bagal naman mag-copy. Perceived value. Project tree. Perceived value. Then, irrelevance. Yan. Paano natin ngayon gagawin si description? So, pwede na natin i-delete to. Oh, no. No, no, no. Pwede na natin i-delete yung dalawa. Kasi, since yung the rest of the, ano, of the, yung, yeah, delete. Delete. Yeah. So, syempre, highlight responses muna. So sa highlight responses, i-copy lang natin to. Then, yung P2, it means participant number 2. Yeah. Participant number, o ano ba yan? P1 to, di ba? So, technically, I will change it to P1. So, another one. So, copy-paste ulit natin. Sorry kasi hindi ko na-assign sa inyo yung semantic analysis. Ay, yung clustering. No? Clustering. Ano number ulit yan? P5? I think P5. P5 yan. Then, ito. Order ng participants natin. No? So, yan. Unahin muna natin yung mga pwedeng i-copy-paste. So, ito, paano sa description? So, you will describe the perceived value and application. So, it means that, ano, programming skills has can be used. By the way, parang kinokopya ko lang to. Nire-refresh mo. Can be used, can be applied to their career. Yeah. Pwede na. So, irrelevant. It means that programming skills, this could be enhanced, no? This could be enhanced. Programming skills is not relevant to their chosen careers. It's not, skills are not relevant to their chosen career. We apply to their chosen careers. And it has a value. Can be applied and has a value to their. Yeah. So, yeah. I-describe mo lang siya. Ano ba yung perceived value and application? Have a value. Has a value. Has a value. Yeah. So, then mo. Yeah. So, i-describe mo lang talaga siya. Yung category. Yung category mo, i-describe mo siya. So, ano ba yung perceived value na application ng programming skill? Ayun, para ma-describe mo siya, kailangan mo kung sa highlight responses. So, ganun lang. So, another example would be here. At ibang example naman to, no? So, user experience. No? Ito ibang research na to kay Michelle. So, another example, user experience. So, user experience, describe niya by this indicates that social media platforms bring contentment. So, ayan. Para sa akin, malaking bagay. So, kinoconnect mo yung user experience dito sa highlight responses by giving a description. So, parang dito, programming skills can be applied and has a value to their chosen careers. Yan, malaking tulong din to their medical field. Medical field, it means yung chosen career nila, di ba? So, kinoconnect mo ngayon itong value and application, tsaka ito, no? Ito, which is yung yeah, dinedescribe mo. So, ito another example dun sa atin, nasa highlight responses, no? Definitely good. So, at least I have some preparation. So, to the chosen careers and can be used. It can be used, no? It can be used, no? So, yeah. Can be used to the chosen career or purpose. Like, dito naman sa irrelevance, paano ito naging description? Kinoconnect mo, irrelevance. Bakit? No, very far from that. Yung that, it means their chosen careers. Diba? Kinoconnect mo. Kinoconnect mo. So, kung ano natin, ito at saka ito, kinoconnect mo siya. Kinoconnect mo yung dalawa. By giving a description. Ito yung magiging resulta niya. Nire-describe mo yung connection between this and this. Between dapat kinokoloran ko lang between this tapos and this. Yan. Ito yung magiging result. No? Pinag-connect mo silang dalawa at describe mo yung ano yung connection nila. O connection. Connection. So, another one would be ito. Yan. Social connectivity. Haba-haba. Ano to? Ito na lang. Yung digital entertainment. So, digital entertainment value, yung category niya. So, kinoconnect na ngayon yung pawala rin ng pawala kakaisip sa buhay. Sa bahay ka lang kasi araw-araw, ganyan. Papag-usap talaga ako niyan. So, technically, na-entertain siya, nawawala yung pang-iisip niya, no? So, ayan, i-connect mo ngayon siya, no? Nawawala ang boredom, no? Which is therefore, ayan, it's used for entertainment, right? So, pwede rin nawawala yung boredom niya, gano'n. So, depende talaga dun sa statement of the problem. Basta kinoconnect mo yung dalawa, ito yung magiging resulta yung nasa box. So, yun lang. May lang. Thank you very much.